Are you gonna take pictures?
Nope, recording.
Oh god.
I don't wanna go near it.
Real messed up, Mona. Wow, did you get it? Oh my god, get a picture of it.
There we go. That's how it is.
Man, that's how it's done here.
Mona, I'm gonna need you to hold these in one hand.
But they're spiky.
Oh, she's just cluttering hers up, so I guess I'll just clutter mine up.
Oh my god, it's so weird doing this. This is a dead animal. And there's cars, we're on a highway.
I'm afraid she's gonna throw some at me.
Oh, they'll pop right up.
Okay, that's...
Just don't touch the little area right there. Don't touch that with the...
Oh, like that's gonna happen.
Suddenly it comes back to life.
Oh my god, this is so weird looking at its flesh.
I think somebody already attacked it. Just kidding.
Can you take a picture of us though?
Yeah.
Best time next to her with it.
Okay.